Hey guys and ghouls, it's summer and I got inspired by these earrings I am wearing. They're uber cute, and the look that I'm doing today I call Ocean Breeze because it's very oceany and it reminds me of a mermaid, so figured something I haven't done yet, so I wanted to put it up there, and I really hope you guys enjoy the video and I look forward to seeing your recreations of it. So have fun, because I always do, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. This kind of greeny blue is called Exotique from Annabelle. You're gonna start off by lining your top waterline or lash line, and you're gonna want to go up and encompass the entire eye. Like a bluish, kind of a dark blue, not navy, but something like that. This is by NYX, it's called Ocean. I'm gonna take that on your flat paddle brush, I guess, and just pack that over top of the eyeliner we had just put there. A fluffy brush in a bright blue color. I'm using that one. Also by NYX, it's in a trio palette. It's called Cool Blue. At least, yeah, it's Cool Blue. So you're gonna want to take your fluffy brush and just swirl it on there. Good, and really tap off any extra. And just put that right in the crease and bring it down. There we go. And then with the same fluffy brush, or you can change it, it's really up to you, I'm going to take this relatively bright green. It's called Seafoam Green, also by NYX. I'm going to swirl that on my brush and put it right over top of the Cool Blue. I want to bring it in just a little bit so it looks like it fades out. Then with whatever brush you want, go in with a highlighter color. This is white from Clinique called Sugar Sugar. I'm gonna go in with my fluffy brush again because it's just easier. I'm gonna dust that right on top there and bring it down. And send some here. So when you're done with that, you can take a bright green cream stick or a shadow and use it wet if you can. This is a NYX Stumble Pencil. We are all NYX today, my ladies and gentlemen. This is called Lemon. I'm going to take that and line the top and extend it out. And line the bottom. And I apologize that y'all can't see anything because it's a nice shitty camera. But I'm working on getting a new one. Still bear with me. Don't poke yourself in the eye like I just did. When you have that done, you should have something that looks relatively like this. And then to line the waterline, I am taking a Rimmel Exaggerate waterproof eyeliner in Emerald Sparkle and going to line my waterline. Now this one is being not so friendly at the moment. It really is, you know, putting color there. You just can't see it because it hates me at the moment. Alrighty, We are done. There we go. We are going for mascara. Use CoverGirl Exact Eyelights. This one is for Hazel eyes. It's kind of a brown color with a bit of gold sparkles. Didn't want to use black, didn't want to have a... Gotta stop poking myself in the eye, ow. But anyway, didn't want to go really harsh with the black. Although black's good for drama. Sometimes you can get just as much drama with a brown mascara than you can with a black one. So I'm gonna zoom out. Oh, zoom out. All the way, hello. So this is what it should look like. Now, again, I forgot blush, but I came relatively prepared with an eyeshadow palette. The one I'm using is from NYX. It's called Hot Pink. Like that. I'm just gonna lightly dust it on the apples of my cheeks. If you don't have a brush and use your finger like me, it's gonna take forever. Oh, it's good enough. So for lips, I am going to take Subculture from MAC. Looks like that. It's very, very almost neutral pink. I'm gonna line my lips. And fill in the corners, because I like to do that. There we go. And for lipstick, since I want to stay somewhat neutral but with a bit of color because the eyes are so dramatic, I grabbed the wrong one. I'll be right back. Okay, so I grabbed the wrong lipstick. The one that I had grabbed was the Viva Glam Cyndi Lauper when I really wanted the Viva Glam Gaga. So, with the right one, I'm going to just sweep it on. Just like that. And I'm all ocean. These are so cute. And yeah, that is it for this. Actually one of my favorite looks so far. That's it close up again. And I hope you enjoyed the tutorial and I'll see you later. Bye.